Cyber Monday at the Home Depot. As you can see, these deals end in 15 hours. We're going to go through some of these deals. You're going to see some of the awesome savings that you're going to get out here. This is outdoor power equipment. You're going to save $350. This is the 18-volt blower. It's got 3 batteries. Over on the Ryobi side of the house, you're going to save $50. That's the 40-volt power sprayer. 18-volt power sprayer, easy clean. That's not too bad. You're going to save $100 on a tiller. The vacuum, it's $199. You're going to save $170. Milwaukee is killing the deals today. Milwaukee, again, saving $320. That is big, massive savings right there. Ryobi, again, only with $43 on savings, but you're going to be able to get the 18-volt string trimmer and blower. And this is a huge one if you want to get the maximized zero-turn 54-inch lawnmower. This thing's huge. Maximum batteries, 4 12-amp-hour batteries, 3 10-amp-hour 80-volt batteries, everything that you could possibly want. $2,379 is your savings, and you only pay $4,700 or $4,800. That is massive right there. That is huge. If you're looking to buy, now's the time to buy that. You've got blowers, you've got sprayers, and you're saving about $30-$40 each time for all of these. But let's get into some of the other kits. These are going to blow your mind. You're going to save $300 on this Ryobi HP kit. Look at all of these tools. 8-tool combo, only $450. Go out there and get that if you're ready to get it. Over DeWalt, you're going to save $380, $550 for their kit, plus a toolbox. That's actually a really good deal. ProPress. I don't know if you guys understand how important this is. You're going to save $170. Not a huge savings, but you do get that free tool, which is awesome. Ridgid, 41% off. You're going to save $410. That's a really good kit right there. A lot of tools, a lot of high-performance tools. Again, Ridgid with more, you're going to save $300 there. I mean, the savings go on and on and on and on. I mean, these combos that you're going to see here are just absolutely breathtaking. Milwaukee, you're going to save $15. It's only $39 for the sweater, but they're really good hoodies and sweatshirts. All right, let's get back up to the top. All right, power tools. Milwaukee coming in with $230 savings right on top. M18 Gen 2 18-volt lithium-ion brushless impact driver. You're going to save $110 with Ryobi. You're going to save $50 with Ryobi. You're going to save Milwaukee again coming in with a big points, big savings, $139 savings on the Surge Impact Stubby 4.0 kit. That's 12-volt. Again, Milwaukee, $120 savings. Look at that. That's the Impact right angle 3/8 inch ratchet wrench, but it's Impact. Another $169 on the sander. Another $358. Look at this. You're going to get the Sawzall and you're going to get the skill saw in there, circular saw. $358 worth of savings. Another $189 worth of savings. I mean, these savings are absolutely incredible for Milwaukee. These things, I can't list them all. There's just too many. I'm going to scroll through. Getting down to Ryobi, $110 savings. You're going to save $89 on that one. $239 savings on DeWalt. Can you believe all these awesome savings? And we're going to all deals. And we're just going to recap what we have. So if you all have the ability, get out there, save a bunch of money, save thousands of dollars. If you want to make some of those big purchases, if you've been waiting to make some of the smaller purchases, now you're going to save $100 and maybe get 2 of the purchases you've been waiting on. I hope this is helpful. If it was helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video as well. And please, I hope to see you in the next video. Get out there, go build something, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass it on to the next generation. We'll all be better for it. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.